Hey guys, this is Harish here from TechTrapt, and today in this video we are going to see about the review of Realme Watch. So let's get started. The box packaging looks neat and sleek with the Realme branding and the image of the watch in front of the box. This video consists of 6 parts starting from the unboxing till the conclusion. It contains unboxing, overlook, pairing and setup, features, pros and cons, and then the conclusion. So you can skip to any part of the video. I have given the timestamps so you can go and check out whatever you need. At first, let's get into the unboxing part of the video. So the box packaging contains a regular information leaflet and the warranty card, a magnetic charger, and the watch itself. Let's get into the placements and overview of the watch. The watch has a yellow accented power button which is also used for other controls to manage the controls of the watch, and the watch also has a SpO2 sensor as well as a heart rate sensor. Let's see how to pair the watch with the phone. Now power on the watch and select your preferred language, and the next page shows some QR code which you should scan using the Realme Link app. After scanning the QR code, the watch shows whether to confirm the pairing request or not. You accept the pairing request and your watch gets paired with the Realme Link app. Then go through the simple setup procedures such as your weight, height, BMI, etc. and you can get the watch working fine. After the setup, the Realme Link app homepage looks like this. Here you can change the watch faces, manage the 24-hour heart rate sensors, and check for regular software updates. And also you can change the get up timers or any other feature which is inbuilt in this app. Here there are hundreds of watch faces available for your watch, so you easily choose the watch faces which you like, and the applying them is very simple. Just click on the watch face and select apply. Now let's get into the features of the watch. The watch has many features such as activity tracking, 24-hour heart rate sensors, SpO2 blood oxygen sensors, etc. While using the heart rate sensor, the watch blinks a green light which in order helps to check your heart rate, whereas in the blood oxygen sensor, which is the SpO2 sensor, blinks a red light in order to check the blood oxygen level. The quick menu contains the features such as sleep mode for the watch, lift up display on or off, and the power saver mode, and also the brightness toggles. And when swipe to the left, you get the weather notifications, and when swipe to the bottom, you can get the notifications for your calls and messages, and when swiped up, you can go for the app library. In the app drawer, you have features such as sleep trackers, which helps you to record your sleeping activities, but it's not that accurate, but it gets the job done. And then you have the music player, which has the controls to increase or decrease the volume, change to the next track, or play or pause the music or video which you are playing on your device. In the workouts tab, you have options to record your intense workout activities such as outdoor walking, cycling. It consists of 14 different types of workout modes which you can play with. So if you want to start a workout, then click on the type of workout which you want to start and click on the start button. In the workout tab, it shows your heart rate, number of amount of calories burnt, duration of your workout, and also extra features which you can also see in the app. After working out, to check your stats of how much calories you have burnt or how many steps you have took, then you can check in two ways. Either go to the Realme Link app in your phone and check the details over there, or check in the Realme Watch app. Let's get into the main part of the watch, the battery life. The battery life seems to do a good job over here. It gives about nearly 7.5 hours to 8 hours of usage with the 24-hour heart rate sensor turned on, and charging this device is easy. It comes with the proprietary magnetic chargers, so there's nothing much of a problem to charge this watch. Let's get into the pros of the watch. The watch has a lift-up display which works 10 out of 10 times. It's actually a cool feature, and I like the feature very much. Secondly, we have the blood oxygen sensors as well as the 24-hour heart rate sensors. These sensors work quite great and they produce accurate results when compared to other smartwatches. While wearing the watch has some good comfort in the hands, and Realme didn't disappoint me in this. And also the cool part of the watch is you can detach the straps from the watch easily. Just pull down the pin and the watch straps come out of the watch. Then you have options in the Realme store for different colors of straps, watch straps, such as red, green and black or brown, whatever it is available. Now let's get into the cons of the device. The device has a notification shade in which you can only see the notification. Most important con is the brightness in the watch. The sunlight legibility is worst. So let's get into the conclusion. In my usage, I haven't faced any issues with this watch other than what I have mentioned in the video. I have tested this watch for more than 2 months, and this was my review of the watch. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get your regular updates. Thank you.